Ozil clips it in. Welbeck! There's your fairy tale! Danny Welbeck back and scoring!
Yeah, it's fine. You can come over, babe. My friend is coming over here, so we're gonna watch soccer together. I hope you don't mind.
Friend.
Yeah.
Friend yaphi ngokule? Awunatshomi nje wena chipiwa. Ndiyaqala uva wena uthi unechomi. Iwes ke ngoku uyizisa apha kwam le chomi yakho. Ndiyayibona lento yakho chipiwa. Uyandichithela umthetho wakho. Undifebela nale ntombi yakho uzoyizisa apha kwam. Ndikhona to watch soccer. Ayiqali ngoku lento yakho chipiwa. Ayiqali ngoku. Uyakhumla mina undibiza ngokuhle igama ndaqala niba ngokuhle apha ku. Ango baby igama lam baby.
Is that not your name?
Is that not my mom and my dad gave me that name? Are you my parents?
But you always call me daddy. But babe, I don't know why you're so upset. Cheating what? I'm talking about a guy. Tato. Oh, I think that's it. Let me go check. Exit. Sure. What's up? I'm not the boy. Bro, it's good. She's around. So, the inside with you, boy.
Oh, bro. Yo. Oh, what are you watching? Yeah.
No, we're just watching soccer here.
Yeah, and it's FC and it's playing.
Yeah.
Oh, police, no police.
Oh.
Tell her this is my house.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Sorry, hi. I'm good.
And you, bro, like, what's up with you? You're dressed up and all that. Yeah?
I'm from church, bro. Church, yo.
On Wednesday?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I am a man of God.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's dope. I love that.
Can you talk? Can we talk?
And then, I'm watching soccer with my friend. You're calling me.
And then, I believe I don't
Believe what? Yo.
This friend of yours, he called Nagadibani Njani on a Wednesday. First of all, to be a church.
What's wrong with it?
Really? Church on a Wednesday. He's got chains. Keeper.
What's wrong with that?
Clearly, he was not there for God. He was there for girls. I come to what that friend is going to make you do is cheat.
Really now?
Yes. I don't like him. He must not come around my house anymore. In fact, delete his contacts.
Ayo. Yo, bro. I think we should leave. We want to.
But we're still watching this.
Yeah, no, we'll watch some other day. For now, I wanna get busy, boy. Like, you know, I wanna clean the bed, like the. Yeah, I wanna clean the bed. Yeah, I want to sweep the curtains.
Wow. I can't believe, bro.
Yeah, I will chat, boy. We'll chat. You know what they say. I don't know what they say, but yeah, we'll talk. Sharp, ne?
Bye-bye.
Sharp.
Bye-bye.
Sure.
Yabona sihappy ngoku baby. Akho izichomi zakho ezomane zikudistract, making you do bad things. Zokujolela ngoku. Daniska.
I wanna go to my room. What's that? I hear some noises there. Who's this now?
Bruce is my friend. He's been staying here over for a week in jail. He needs the rent. Don't.
A week? Yet I can have friends who say just to watch soccer with me, but when you're staying with the guy and when I'm not talking to you, shut up. Yo, chill, bro. Chill. Hey, bro. Tune.
Chifu. Kukwam apa kuhlala mna. If ii-friends zam zizawufika apha anytime zifuna ufika ungazondixela loo nto mna ezakho ii-friends zezi ezitshithayo asifani nanawe.
You're staying with the guy.
Hey chifu andifuni noyiva iitshomi zam nezakho asifani. Ukrusa kanendawo yohlala mna ndimthini
But I was just watching soccer, but you're staying with the... Look at him. I must stick to him.
hayi itshomi yakho yecawe on a Wednesday ungabi dramatic apho ngazongixelela loo nto utheni hayi ungazoba dramatic apha uyayithanda le nto yakho uthanda ubuka ingxaki yakho uyandika nantsi trophy for being dramatic drama queen hayi suka uyadika man this chifu this chifu that mna solo ndithethana nawe into ezininzi all the time hayi sika sumdika mna rha